Let's continue. Let's continue Python for AWS data engineering. In this session, let's continue Anaconda Python installation on Windows operating system, and then first Python program using Jupyter Notebook and using Spider IDE. Okay. So first, let's start discussing Anaconda Python installation on Windows operating system. So download Anaconda Python, install Anaconda Python, set path variable, and then verify Anaconda Python installed or not. These second step and third step we do in a single step. Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome. You can open any web browser. Then search Anaconda Python download. Click on first link, and here you can see let's go back. You can see Anaconda Python download. Let me open first link. Click on this get started. Here you can see sign up with your email, or you can click on Google. Let's say I am selecting my email ID. Then you can see Anaconda distribution and Miniconda. Let's see Anaconda distribution. Select this Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Then click on start download. It's a 1.117 GBT. It comes with a lot of inbuilt libraries. Anaconda is mostly used Python software for developing Python applications. It comes with a lot of inbuilt IDEs, inbuilt libraries too. That's why you can see uh, yeah, this download file is bigger file. So depends upon your internet speed. It will take a few minutes time to. Let's wait to download. So mostly used IDs are Jupyter Notebook and VS Code. Download is completed. Let's go to download location. Then you can double click on this downloaded file and choose all default options. So it started installing. Click on next button, then click on I agree button. Then here default option, just for me. This is recommended. Okay. And default option too. And next one, click on next button and click on next button. Here important one is, so this is first and this one is second. So most of the people directly click on install. So you need to select this one, then later you need to click on install. Second step and third step we are doing in a single step. Add installation to path environment variable, then click on install. Yeah. Installation is completed. Next, click on next button. Then click on next button. Uncheck these options. Then click on finish button. Click on next button. Yeah, it's finished to team. So installation is successful. Let's verify Anaconda Python was installed on me. Go to search bar, type Anaconda. You can see Anaconda Navigator. Click on this Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, it is starting Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is a graphical user interface where we can see list of libraries installed, list of IDs installed as part of Anaconda. Yeah. So this is Anaconda web user interface. So this is Anaconda Navigator graphical user interface. You can see Jupyter notebook is available and you can see Spider ID. Spider ID also available with Jupyter notebook, sorry, Anaconda Navigator. You can see multiple IDs are installed. So now we can confirm Anaconda Python installed into our machine. Clear writing? How to install Anaconda Python into Windows operating system?